what's up family? How are you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my YouTube channel, Koki's Kitchen. My name's Faith Njoki, and this morning I'm so happy because I'll be preparing a special breakfast because you just have to start your day in the best way possible. And I'm going to help you do that because today we are going to be preparing something known as bread omelette. And to my ingredients, I have dania over here. I have some onions, I have 3 eggs, I have black pepper, I have turmeric, and I have cinnamon, I have margarine, blue band, and the bread itself. But here it's optional. You can just decide to use the normal and the natural spices. So let's get into it. First thing, you beat your eggs here. Put your salt according to your taste. Then some little black pepper. Some turmeric. Turmeric is going to give it some nice look. And cinnamon. I love the flavor. Cinnamon has the best flavor. It's so nice. Cinnamon, and mix it up. I can feel the cinnamon flavor. So nice, so recognizable. Then from there, I put my onions. Then I put my danias, and guys, we are good to go. We are good to go. You can add some onions if you'd love to, but I've not used some onions. So guys, let's head to our plate. So you don't need to use a lot of oil, that's why I'm using margarine. But it would be so nice if you have a non-sticky pan. But for me, just use this because this is what I have. So guys, you put some little margarine on the pan. And you've done that. You take a slice of bread and dip it in here, in this mixture. Yeah. Just dip it nicely. My hands are clean. And place it on the pan. Do this on a low heat, guys. So you can now spread the mixture on top of the bread. This is really a nice breakfast. Yummy. You're doing bread, but in an amazing way. So just wait for it to either and flip it. So guys, let's flip it. See what's going on inside here. Wow. Look at it. Spread your butter, spread your margarine once again. Naleta tu kichwa ngumu. So guys, look at my final product. Guys, look that effective turmeric, so yellow. Guys, oh my goodness, it looks so amazing. See how I've transformed this bread into something amazing. Please try this recipe and comment down below on how you're going to love it. Thank you so much for supporting me, for subscribing. If you've not, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share. Till next time, bye bye.